Wiring a building is one thing. Wiring your future as a certified Red Seal electrician? That takes strategy. If you're looking to challenge the electrical Red Seal exam, or you're planning ahead in your apprenticeship, this guide is for you. The Electrical Red Seal is a nationally recognized credential. It means your electrical skills meet the highest standard, coast to coast. With this certification, you can work in any province or territory in Canada without recertifying. Whether you're relocating for a better contract or exploring long-term growth, that kind of mobility is a game changer. Let's break it down. To challenge the exam, you'll first need to meet your province's requirements, usually through a registered apprenticeship or equivalent hands-on experience. Once you're approved, the Red Seal exam is next. You'll face 100 to 150 multiple-choice questions with a 3.5 to 4-hour time limit. And don't expect basic definitions. The questions are rooted in real job site scenarios. Think wiring diagrams, circuit troubleshooting, motor controls, and safety protocols. All exam content is based on the Red Seal Occupational Standards, or RSOS. These outline the knowledge and skills expected of an interprovincial electrician. If you're familiar with electrical code, installation methods, and diagnostics, you'll recognize a lot. But reviewing the RSOS helps you see the full scope, not just the tasks you do every day. Now, here's where prep really counts. Most electricians study consistently for 3 to 6 months. Organize your study time into categories: code, theory, math, and safety. Use diagrams and practice tests to simulate real conditions. And don't stress if it's been a while since you last studied. You're not alone. Thousands of skilled tradespeople across Canada face that same feeling. The key is building a study rhythm and using tools that work for your style. And that's exactly what we offer at redsealstudyguide.ca. You'll find downloadable Q&A books, explanation-style resources, and even online timed practice tests. They're made for Canadian electricians, clear, focused, and built around real exam standards. You can study on your tablet at home, your phone on lunch break, or your laptop on a quiet weekend. It's flexible, on-demand prep, without waiting for shipping. And remember, passing the Electrical Red Seal opens more than just job site doors. It leads to roles like foreperson, safety coordinator, inspector, or trainer. It's also a huge asset if you're thinking about starting your own electrical business. If you're a newcomer to Canada, this certification helps align your previous trade experience with Canadian standards. And for ESL candidates, the exam is available in English or French. Focus on trade-specific vocabulary and familiarize yourself with technical terms in your preferred language. The Red Seal isn't just for new apprentices. It's valuable for experienced electricians who never got certified, or for those moving between provinces. Once certified, you're not just licensed, you're nationally recognized. That means more job security, higher wages, and more room to grow. So if you're getting ready to challenge the Electrical Red Seal, start early. Review the RSOS, build your confidence, and study smart, not just hard. And if you want trusted prep tools built by tradespeople, visit redsealstudyguide.ca. You've already built your skills. Now it's time to wire your future.